we must always remember the power of the first impressions. Wearing the correct attire, looking decent, displaying our name tags with pride, and treating each patient with the dignity and respect they deserve should come automatically. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi you are going to get an opportunity to be told when you are wearing a skirt, how long the skirt should be, should it have a slit, if it has a slit, how far does the slit go? I make an example, a couple of years back, I visited one clinic, it's Ngwelezane. And as I was walking about, the poor nurse didn't see me, she was facing the other side. Her slit on the skirt at the back went right up to the crack. And it's not an exaggeration. And the reason why it had done that is because his skirt sake was a soft material. So as she was moving, the skirt was moving up. So she couldn't feel it because she had socks on. But all of us who are behind her could see. So I really, and this is not an exaggeration, and I won't tell you what I did because now I'm not proud of it. But it was so embarrassing. So we are making a request that let's wear our uniform properly. Material is important on the uniform that we wear, how it is worn, the length of the skirt. You don't have to wear a skirt as fige makagaleni. That's not what we are asking you to do. But we are saying be decent. All we are requesting is decency. It is now no longer a nice to have. All that I've just mentioned is no longer a nice to have, but it is policy, which means failure to adhere to this kind of conduct will have consequences.